Everyone, my name is George and welcome back to Clues in a Caravan. We've got Kevin and...
Is he finished yet?
Yeah,
take your fingers out
I
now,
accidentally...
It was for that.
That's right.
Hang on, do we have to start again? Because
No.
okay,
George,
just
Kevin, Peter,
just edit,
we are...
Hang on. Oh, this is... Okay, just edit this bit out. Okay, just finish the song. This is Kevin and Peter, my name is George, and we are Clues in a Caravan.
Where are we?
We are at Morn Hill.
Oh, well done.
Well done for knowing where you are, considering you've spent most of the time here in the caravan under your duvet.
And on my guitar.
No, that's exaggerating, really. We've had a lovely couple of days
Yeah.
in the sunshine.
Enjoyed a record-breaking Easter weekend.
Speaking of...
And we're heading off today.
Come on.
What?
Nothing.
Speaking of what?
Nothing.
Okay.
Back to school tomorrow. I haven't quite got that back to school feeling yet. But I'm sure once I get to South Farnham tomorrow, I'll soon get into the swing of it again.
Yes, we got here on Saturday. You can probably hear the sound of the A31, is it?
Yes.
Outside. That's possibly, some people would find it annoying at about, I don't know, at about 6 o'clock in the morning when the motorbikes are going up there. It is slightly annoying. But the most obvious sound to this site is the sound of the crows cawing in the trees. But there you go. It's fine. It's lovely. It's nature. So on Saturday we didn't go anywhere. We lost around.
It was so lovely and warm and sunny. I put the airbed out and fell asleep on it.
Yeah. And on Sunday we went to Mottisfont Abbey.
Yes.
You'll already have seen pictures and video from that as part of this video.
Yep. And while there, I went into the... I had it. It's the boys' sitting room.
The boys' sitting room, yeah.
The boys' sitting room and played Bohemian Rhapsody on a harpsichord, which will be part of this video. And I also went into the whistler room and played it on the baby grand piano, which will also be part of this video.
We hope it will. It depends on whether somebody recorded it properly.
You better, I swear, you better have recorded.
So if you've seen it already as part of this video, then you'll know that we're still talking to each other.
Yep.
I had to stay outside with the dogs, obviously because they're not allowed to listen to Bohemian Rhapsody on animal cruelty grounds.
Oh, I thought the reason you didn't come in was because dogs aren't allowed in there.
Maybe. I just felt sorry for them. Anyway, so we're heading off now. The main job to be done when we get back is that almost none of the windows work, do they?
No.
We've got the kitchen window works.
While we were trying to hammer the big back window across the back of the van, while we were trying to hammer that back into position on Saturday afternoon, I said to Kev, we must remember not to open this window, and I had the strongest sense of deja vu.
Yeah. They're all held in with seals, and I think they've just all gone. So, given that we only have two fully working windows, the one on one side and the kitchen one, none of the front or back windows work properly. You open them, they just fall out. So, but I have been given some advice on how to fix that, and I'm going to give it a go this week, so that we can actually open the windows, because we could have done with that this week. Jackson's looking great following his clean up. It's really nice. We don't mind having the oldest caravan on the site, but having the filthiest one is probably a step too far. But so we're about to head off home. We're going to get the awning down, which has again been fantastic having the awning. Dogs have loved it. Morn Hill is lovely. They've got new wardens. The last wardens were lovely. These wardens are even lovelier.
So
even
friendly.
better. Yes, I went up to the shop, and the first time I went there, one of them asked to see what I could do on guitar. I showed him, and then when Peter said I had only been playing since Christmas, he had the most shocked look on his face, and it was really good to be appreciated. And Mottisfont, sorry. Almost everybody in the Whistler room applauded, which was very nice, and I got a lot of compliments in the harpsichord room.
So really this demonstrates that George needs to come out of his bedroom to play his guitar a little more often.
Yeah, I know, Mum, that is what I've been asking for to do. Yes.
You need to get involved at school.
And a shout out for Rock Out.
Rock out.
Shout out,
Yes.
rock out.
Which is where George goes on Saturday mornings to get an hour's electric guitar tuition.
And
so good for them. So we will see you the next time we're out on the road.
Oh, do we have
See you
to
later.
go?
Oh, come on,
Well, you'll probably see me cocking up doing the windows before then, so good luck with that.
And you'll probably see some music from me. I'll see you all later. Bye.
I don't want to go.
Okay.
Bye.
You can't make me go.
Don't forget to like this video, please, if you liked it. Don't forget to leave a comment. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed, and click the bell icon for notifications. Bye.
And now the like, comment, and subscribe bit. Okay, action. Hey everyone, my name's George. Just wanted to add that I want you to
You don't
like.
need to do hi, everyone, I'm George.
Okay, cut.
Does everyone
Action.
know who he is? Okay, everyone knows who you are.
Right.
George.
Oh. Look up a bit. Yep.
He wants to go home.
Oh, you want to go home?
Anyway, George, you were saying?
Anyway, as I was saying, oh my god, she's trying to jump out.
Don't encourage him. Just ignore him and he'll be fine.
Come on, let's get it done. We've got to get everything down.
She can't quite work out how he did it.
Right, stop.
George, what do you want to say? That was very distracting.
Real quick. Okay, everyone, I really would appreciate it if you alright, everyone. Okay, everyone. I'm just going to add that you should definitely like this video if you enjoyed it, and if you want to see more music, comment down below if you want to see more music. Also subscribe to this channel to see more, and press the bell icon to see every single upload we do. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Don't forget to comment below.
I already said that.
I think you did.
I did.
We missed one of them off.
Did I? Which one?
We need a checklist. Like, comment, subscribe,
notifications.
I definitely did all this. Okay, bye guys.
Leave it.
Oh.
Okay, so we'll see you soon. Don't forget to like this video. Click the thumb.
She's jumping now. She's given up trying to push him out of the way. Oh, hurry up! They're going to demolish the door.
You should see that. I put my head over it. All I saw was Dizzy just going.
Don't forget.
And then ending bit. No, don't stop yet.
Oh, come
you
on,
want us to
Jack.
come
We
out
really
when
have
you
got to get on with it now.
Don't stop yet.
Come on. You can do some videos of yourself at home, can't you?
Mum, this is the ending bit.
Oh, okay.
Okay. You want to go past first?
Just get on with it.
Go on, get down. Get down, because I'm
Mum,
going
you're
to the door.
delaying this.
Oh, come on, Mum.
See you later on, clueless in a caravan.
Very good, George.